Anyways, it's 10:30. It's 10:25, and we are going to check the chicken because it's smelling pretty good, and it's only 1 kilo, and we don't want to overcook it. So we're going to check it. We'll need a knife. Difficult operation. And one there. There we go. Alright. So, one way to check the chicken is to poke it and see if it bleeds. I think we can take the saran wrap out. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me turn the light on so it looks better. I really need a light for the oven. You can't really see it. Well, anyways, chicken looks good, but I'm going to give it some more time. I poked it. I look at the meat inside. It looks pretty good. But I'm going to give it some time, and I'm going to take the saran wrap so it'll actually be crispier. The skin will get crispier without the saran wrap. So, we're going to give it some more time because it's still a lot of chicken, and we don't want raw chicken either. I realize that some of my friends will consider this cooking show utterly pornographic, and I have a lot of Hare Krishna friends. They're vegetarians, pure vegetarians. My niece, my nephew, pure vegetarians. I'm not. I eat dead things. Not a happy camper with that element, but it is what it is, and you got to deal with it as you deal with it. My little 3-year-old Shammy, she's definitely born carnivore. I mean, she was born wanting to eat chicken, and it's kind of for her that I make this chicken. You know, I do it like a. It's really fun because that's something like a sin. It isn't. It is and it isn't. All that is. Anyways, chicken is going to be ready in a bit more. We'll take it out. We'll check it out later. Now let's look at the cat. Do you like chicken, cat? Are you a chicken cat type of guy? Are you a chicken ear? You're chicky wicky wicky picky picky wicky wicky woo. If anything, just the very fact that this guy's here should earn me an Oscar. Anyways, we're gonna pause this and wait for the chicken to be ready.